Ready? It's time, self-care time for my face. Getting ready to do the castor oil exfoliant scrub. Matcha green tea, an excellent antioxidant and one of the ingredients in the exfoliating green castor oil mask. Next we have Himalayan salt. Make sure it is the fine Himalayan salt and not the coarse salt. Salt is just a wonderful regulator of electrolytes and pulls things out. The salt, as a side note, also is what creates a friction and helps with exfoliation. There's also antimicrobial properties, so just in a wonderful combination. Next, the pièce de résistance. Here we have half of a tablespoon, not teaspoon, tablespoon of organic castor oil, hexane-free, the very best queen of the thrones, the final ingredient. As all good brews, make sure that you stir together. After I walk out of this, I'm going to either look like the Hulk or Princess Fiona from Shrek. The next step before I apply the mask is actually to wash my face with castor oil. It's known as the castor oil face wash. It's incredible for your skin. I always use my Queen of the Thrones eye mask from the Beauty Sleep Kit as a way to hold my hair back whenever I'm doing any spot treatment. So I just washed my face and I'm ready for the mask. Literally, like this always feels so great. Castor oil on your skin is just ultra nourishing with the green tea and salt, amazing. Exfoliation should really be done about once a week just to get rid of all the dead skin, right? It's kind of like the principle, let that shit go. That's the way to do it with this mask. So, Princess Fiona or the Hulk? Any votes? One thing I want to encourage you to do when you can get together with friends, whichever way possible, is to do a castor oil spa party. It's so much fun and it teaches everyone the coolest stuff. Don't worry, stick around. We're going to be covering it all, I promise you. Lots of treats for those who are in the queendom. So it's not only the castor oil face wash, it's the castor oil exfoliant scrub. There's also the clay castor oil mask, and then the follow-up, and so much more. So, what are you guys thinking? Are you gonna do this tonight? Can I challenge you to do something good for your skin and take care of yourself? Because baby, you're worth it. So I finished my mask and there is still some left. So if you want to, you can preserve it in a container. You can make more in a batch or just use as you need each time. I told you something transformational and magical would happen. You never know who you're gonna be.